Kisumu residents were today in shock as one woman who sells in the market was dragged by the county council askaris in a fast-moving vehicle. This is what happened. Watch it here and share your thoughts on the comments below. After what happened to this woman and the public outburst on social media, the county manager called her to the office and she was told to say thank you as she was given a new stall and she was also taken for treatment, and her son, who had been arrested, was also released courtesy of the county manager. Listen to the full video here.
Otimre kamano oseluonga ora gi city manager osewacho gima otimre agoero kamano osemiya stall tith be yudi thiedha nyathina mamako cha be idhiwe koro use stall kanyo modong' obo wacho en mana ni okotimre maber kata kik wacho gima idwa wacho
What's idwa wache
wan ok wadwa dukuyo dhogi
gima yot kamano. Kaka ne anyiero like at least an mor yudo stall koro iduso decent place
ok wanyal ywak ka jomur winyo kamano waywak to wabedo gi geno nyaka dung gi geno
koro gijawacho mana gijawacho mana dak achiel kendo itieko badhe dong at least koro city manager oseyie koro thiedhi
Nyagoi
angwa
chapa maneno dogiri ya kabisa ndio chung women igera neno ngiro mapare aje mama nyange
na lingoni singa kanini ta chile mnapigo nini
lo ngoma nini na makukiti
dano kana ngoja
kanya ndio vile vile ni leader
ana ero gaira jadi gimana na kwa damu kama ndijio aero ga binyero
koro ng'ama jok peka rubiro gidwa nyiero
kumari ni makabuna ne yanga gusiepe mang'eny
mong'eyi
mong'eyi an ama ong'eyi kitaon ka inyo kilo inyalo manyane ng'a gimana manyane BTC nyalo yo manyane Mama Lopez mano ka didi
Lopez no magno
Lopez ya for one by nyathi manyako manyulo
kare ini dadi manyulo kodero
ne nyara igasi jalo bangi ja klasa chia
ai ko yo we ko kisi ahora ni stolto kiko nyuse
koro ana koro
ala I kao ya vile ni kita touch with this dongi idwa na makino ni papers count notes koro dongo losi aina ya pia attachment na jengo la university kwa beta wa mama
na kono
dongo
yako
mama kita kwa sababu not
mane mo yubi
ja form 1 jarai manja form 4
podele form 1 paro na je form 4 ja form 1
por moro nya
mano do bien wana
manya konto dek me yo wi
itoni manya konto dek me yo wi
no biro nani
ndio
podo so
koro mali de gwaje balo kaswatie kikasi basi ni kitu baadaye wacha nyingi
ana goyo kamanda ne city manager ting mokaona otero hospital ogolo goda mano maki omiya store mano mamo miya kama le ago nero kamano nasai mondo romugi mano
Do you think what the county manager has done by giving this woman a stall and also taking her to hospital for treatment is justice enough, or it is just a typical PR stunt? Let me know your thoughts on the comment section, and please Let us learn to be good people and human.